get you off my mind, but you always find your way back in.